Sudan has for decades ranked among Kenya's top 4 tea export destinations, historically importing in the order of 35 million kilograms annually, valued at approximately $70 million. The abruptness of the ban caught the trade in mid-motion. Tea, worth more than $23 million, was left stranded along the supply chain, including 207 40-foot containers held at the port of Mombasa, with the attendant demurrage, warehousing, and financing costs falling squarely on our exporters and ultimately on our farmers. We will engage President Buhari's government and tell him our foreign policy orientation has always been to support peace engagement, but not to allow the port of Mombasa to be the entry point for arms destined for Darfur, for Sudan, through Mombasa. This is what this Ruto administration has actually been doing, and therefore creating enemies for ordinary Kenyans who would otherwise want to have good neighborliness and within the framework of our regional organizations.